All right, we are here at 7324 Mary Avenue Northwest. This is pulling back through exterior clean out post cabling to try to cut back some roots in here. The line was backing up when we arrived, so tried to cut this root back, but it actually bound my cable up quite a bit, and you can see it's growing in from the back side of the Y. We were able to determine that is the neighbor's tie-in right there. So the rest of this line is plastic. I have spoken to the homeowner here about possibly jetting. He's going to discuss it with his neighbor and then get back to us. So for now, this line is open and draining, and we're pretty much lined in plastic all the way back up. Looks pretty good. So we'll move a little bit quickly here. That's our biggest issue. There is one other root in here which is completely jettable. So this here, we'd be able to clear that out no problem. And we would do that obviously at the same time as the other one. That there looks like wipes, so should be telling the Airbnb guests obviously not to use those. Otherwise, everything's been tested from inside. Toilets function, showers function, and there's our clean out.